Hello, everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Welcome to Stephanie Traditional Home. For all of you who have subscribed, thank you. Those who have been watching and commenting and also thank you too. And if there has been something that you have seen on our videos, either for today or otherwise, would you consider subscribing today? We will be more than appreciative to have you join in with us. Today, I have 3 items that I bought from Hobby Lobby on yesterday. And then I have 2 DIYs. If you see in front of you here, these are real magnolia leaves that I went down to a friend's home this morning and picked these off of her tree. They're real and they are already dried. And then on my home tour, you would have seen these on the golden pear. But I've decided I took them off and I'm going to use them here because you know my color theme, or if you don't know, for this Christmas season is blue that I always use, gold, and of course white. And then I bought these from Hobby Lobby, I guess about a month ago. And you've already seen them. I'm just going to change the color of the pole, not the ribbon, just the pole. And I have 2 of those. So those are the 2 DIYs I have. I have everything ready. And I am considering using the pearls. That's why you see these. And of course, they are fake. And those in front of you. But this is not put together. I did this so you could see how it should come out. Won't you stay tuned? Here are the 3 items. I'm going to show you one of these because it's 2 of them that I bought from Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to use this planter. I'm going to really plant the flower in here. I need to get some more soil, so I won't be doing it on this video. But that's what I plan to do with that. And I just wanted to show you I have 2 of them. And they were $4.99, but they were half off. So I got 2 for the price that would have been double. And then I bought this vase. I'm going to wash it and line it with some parchment paper and put my grandchildren cookies in it for when they come, just a couple of days. This one was $36.99, but it was half off. So those are the 2 things that I bought. 2 different items with 1 item. I bought the same thing, which was the flower pot. Let's get started. We're going to do the wreath first. And like I said, this is not together. But I lined it up like that so you would be able to see what idea I have in mind. Okay. Now, for the base, I'm going to turn them. I wiped them off when I first got home and got some of that's just the inclement weather that it goes through. And I noticed it's on the back and not of the front, but I wipe both sides down, not to saturate them because they're already dry. And I'm going to get started and then finish and then come back. So I want these, the brown leaves up just one time around. And I'm going to put this over so you be able to see it. And I'm using the glue gun. And I'm going to put it on. I can start over here so you'll be able to see. And this one I put on. We'll start here. You should be able to see it very well. Then I will continue around with this color. And then I will come back, leave some of the brown or less green side open. And then I have 12 of these, 6 of this particular blue and white, and 6 of these. And then I would disperse them evenly throughout. And let me go and put this one here. But there are enough of these leaves where I can build it up 4 times. I want more of the green, but I do want some of the brown peeping out. So it can be full. And that laying so flat, as you see, has its own shape. And we still can see a little of the brown. And I will continue all around until I finish, and I'll be back to show you its completion. Okay, it's finished, and I'm going to put it on the door so you can see it. Okay, the one on the floor is the one that was up. Here's the Magnolia one. All right, let's do our last DIY. All right, let's do the lamp. I'll get it started. I'm going to start here. And let me show you what I'm using. I'm using antique gold. Antique gold. It's rub and buff. I just want to cover the back out. See how it's coming? Well, that's what I'm going to do all the way around. And once I finish, I'll be back to show you. Here they are, from black to gold. Although I left a little of the black peeking through. Let me show you where I'm going to place them. One of them will sit in my living room window, so at night you can see it better. Let me show you the other. Here's the other one. And one more time, the wreath. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, in fact, next Thursday,